Do you want to become a student at your dream university, but you're scared of a math exam and you're not sure that you will pass it? Leave all your doubts behind, because you will learn how to prepare to math exams successfully and not waste extra time. If you want to get a full program of preparation that will allow you to pass exam with flying colors, then watch video till the end. And also then visit my website, which you will find in the description of this video, and there you find full information about the IB Math course, and if you get any question, I will be happy to help you. And now start to do some math and see that math is easy if you understand. And today I want to teach you how to do division of polynomials, because polynomials, it's important part of the function, and if you know how to factorize, you could solve any equation. And one way to factorize like polynomial expressions or polynomials function, especially when it's like higher power than 2, if it's not quadratic, because I think you know how to do this for quadratic, because you have a quadratic formula, but how to do it for polynomial, for example, of power 5 or of power 3, it's not easy as for quadratic one. That's why now I show you how to do this division, and it's not all, and it will be more interesting information. Stay tuned. Then start to do it. You see that we have x cubed minus 3x squared plus 5x minus 3, and I want to divide it by x minus 1. For this I have a method to do division like with the numbers. And you see that first of all you need to think, because we have x cubed here, it means you need to think by what you need to multiply x to get x cubed. What is the factor? It's x squared. It means you have x squared here, and now this x squared we times by x minus 1. It means x squared times x, it's x cubed. Then x squared times negative 1, it's negative x squared. And now you see that we have two terms and we need to subtract, and it's similar as for division of two numbers. Now you subtract, and idea what? We eliminate x cubed on this time, That's why x cubed minus x cubed is 0. Then minus 3x squared minus x squared becomes plus x squared, and minus 3x squared plus x squared, it's minus 2x squared. And then like next term, this 5x, you bring down, it means then it becomes plus 5x. Now you see that we have minus 2x squared. It means we need to think by what you need to multiply x to get minus 2x squared. And that's how much? Right, minus 2x. It means I write it here. Then minus 2x I multiply by x minus 1. It means minus 2x times x, it's minus 2x squared. Then minus 2x times negative 1, it's plus 2x. And now we do the same step, we subtract. And you see that now we eliminate x squared. Previously we eliminate x cubed term, now we eliminate x squared term. It means minus 2x squared minus 2x squared is 0, it means it's cancel out. Then you have 5x minus 2x, it's just 3x. And now again, the next term you just bring down. It means now it's minus 3. And now you see that we need to cancel 3x. It means x you need to times by number to have 3x. It means just plus 3. It means I write plus 3 here. Then 3 times x is 3x. And then 3 times negative 1, it's negative 3. And you see that again we subtract, and now you see that 3x minus 3x is 0. Minus 3 minus 3, it's also 0. It means what? You have 0 in the end. It means in this case, you see, you divided y polynomial by another polynomial, and what you get? In this case, quadratic polynomial. It means that this original one, x cubed minus 3x squared plus 5x minus 3, has two factors. First factor is x minus 1, because we divided by it, and second factor is this quadratic, x squared minus 2x plus 3, and it's no remainder, because we have 0 in the end. That's why this original cubic polynomial, completely factorized into a linear polynomial x minus 1, and you have this quadratic one in brackets. And what do you think about this method? Have you used it before? And please share your experience in the comments, and we will see like how many people use such approach, and maybe for someone is new. Okay, and then I also want to show you another example, and we do division of polynomial. For example, x to power 4 plus 11x squared minus 1 and divided it by x plus 3. Okay, first of all, you see that we have x to power 4 and x squared. It's no x cubed term and it's no x term. What to do? It means first of all we rewrite this polynomial adding all of the terms. But if it's no x cubed, what does it mean? Write that it's times by 0. That's why you have x to power 4 plus 0 times x cubed. Yeah, it means we just need to make like a form of polynomial with all of powers. Then plus 11x squared, yeah, because we have x squared term, and then it's no x term, it means we have also plus 0 times x, and then minus 1. And again, you see that we need to divide it by x plus 3. Super. And now we start to do the same things. Yeah, it means we divided. First of all, we need to cancel x to power 4. Yeah, and because we divided it by x plus 3, it means you need to think by how much you need to multiply x to get x to power 4. And this is just x cubed. It means here we write x cubed. Then we multiply x cubed by x plus 3. It means you have x cubed times x, it's x to power 4, then plus 3x cubed. Yes, that's why you see that I add like all of terms to polynomials, then not miss any power of x. And now again, we subtract as before, the same method. Now you see that x to power 4 minus x to power 4 cancel out because it's 0. And then we have 0x cubed minus 3x cubed, it means just minus 3x cubed. And then, as before, this term we just bring down, it means it's plus 11x squared. And now you see we need to cancel minus 3x cubed, it means we need to times x by some factor to make you minus 3x cubed, it means it needs to be minus 3 and x squared. Now multiply minus 3x squared by x, it gives us minus 3 x cubed, and then this minus 3x squared we times by 3, it's negative 9x squared. And now the same procedure, we subtract. And now you see minus 3x cubed minus 3x cubed, it's what? It's just 0 because it's cancelled out. And then we have 11x squared minus 9 squared, yeah, and then it becomes 20x squared. And then also I bring an x term down, it's 0x, yeah, it means this term we just bring down. And now you need to think by how much you need to multiply x to get 20x squared, yeah, and this just simply plus 20x. In this case we have 20x times x, it's 20x squared, then 20x times 3 is just plus 60x. Then again, what we do? We subtract. And you see now we cancel this quadratic. It means we cancel 20x squared. Yeah, because 20x squared minus 20x squared is 0. Then 0x minus 60x is just minus 60x. And then, yeah, just take a last term and also bring it down. It means minus 1. And now we need to eliminate minus 60x. It means if we times x by negative 60, right? Yeah, it means I could here to make it longer. And now, yeah, just multiply. And we have minus 60x. And then minus 60 times 3 is how much? Right, it's minus 180. And now, yeah, I could move it a little bit. And you see that now if you subtract, what? Minus 60x give you 0. Yeah, and again we eliminate. And then in this case we have minus 1 minus 180. It's plus 180, and then just 179. But here you see that it's no 0. It's 179. It means this is your remainder. Yeah, it means in this case we divide by but with remainder. Yes, that's why now you have to write, again, if to use this like idea of factorization, it means this original polynomial, x to power 4 plus 11 x squared minus 1 equals 2, because you divided by x plus 3, it's mean factor x plus 3, you multiply by result of the division, this x cubed minus 3x squared plus 20x minus 60, oh sorry, I close just 20x minus 60 and then I close brackets, yeah, because this is your factor. It's mean this x plus 3 you times by division and then plus remainder, yeah, because it's not 0, it's mean plus 179. It means this example of polynomial which not like completely divide by x plus 3. In this case, you have a remainder. It means you see that you could just like factorize part of this polynomial and then plus the number. Yeah? It means, for example, if you do like any, if it's like originally some equation and if it's not completely factorized, then it's no way to solve this equation. For example, if you have equation, yeah, because you need to sketch then a function and to see only using like GDC, do you have any solutions or not, yeah, because like with no calculator, it's no chance to factorize. Yeah, that's why also you see that polynomial, it's like part of the function. That's why, like, if you want to know more about functions and polynomials, I recommend you to watch my next video, Maclaurin series. And as I promised at the beginning, yeah, like I give you a bonus and you have a promo code for 15% discount, yeah, like using a secret word, YouTube. That's why visit the website, yeah, like it is in the description of this video, and leave an order for the IB Math course and you get this 15% discount. And also please, yeah, like write in comments like what is the price of the full course with a discount. And in my next video, I teach you how to solve trigonometric equations, yeah, because equations it's like very big topic, and then you will understand, yeah, like how to do trigonometry and not scare like of trigonometry anymore. And now please like this video if you not put it yet. And on this step, I say you goodbye, and I will be very glad to see you as one of my students. And stay tuned, and let's change your life through study.